Welcome to the Grace Life DIY home decor. So here I am at the Dollar Tree in their cleaning supply section. So come on with me, guys, let me show you what they have. And this is pretty full, so I'm so happy. All right, so we have the dishwashing liquids. As you can see, they're pretty stocked on the Ajax. And then they have these, the Cascade Originals. These don't work very well for me. And then they have their store brand, which is the Ultra Shine dish detergent. At least they don't have any music in here, but we do have people in the store talking. So here's the Dawn. This is what I always use. So they have it in these two, and then the Palmolive. They also have this bigger size right here if you guys use Palmolive. And so they do have different scents. Then they have the awesome, wow, this is a pretty big. This is a liquid dishwashing detergent. Look at the size of this bottle. Wow, so it's from Awesome. Let me see, Last Totally Awesome Oxy Ultra Deluxe. So they have one of those, and then they have the Oxidol. I don't think I've ever seen this before, in the apple flavor, or flavor, the apple scent. That was funny. All right, so then they have this toilet bowl cleaner. You get 2 tabs for $1.25, and then they also have these. Now I haven't tried these. This is called the Tough Plus, the all-purpose wipes. I heard that was pretty good. Here is the Awesome Drain Cleaner. So that's the first time I've seen it in that size. I usually get this one, the Mr. Plumber, but I think next time I'm gonna try this. Now I never noticed this. So this is a coffee and espresso machine cleaner. I think I'm gonna try one of these. So let me just put that in my cart. This I never seen, guys. So you might wanna, if you make coffee daily like I do, you might want to get one of those. Now I always use the Lysol cling gel. So you have it here in 2 cents. Then I always use the Comet spray foam cleaner, or the kitchen cleaner, and the all-purpose cleaner. So look at that, kitchen cleaner, all-purpose cleaner with bleach. So you got to be careful when you're using bleach. Then you have the bathroom, the foam bath cleaner with bleach. All right, and then the regular Comet and the Ajax. And be careful that it doesn't say bleach, because you don't want to use bleach on something that you don't need to use bleach. Okay, so this is the insect repellent. All right, I don't know if I've seen that. And here's the ant killer and the roach killer, the spray. And here's another ant. And so they have all of the repellents right here, some more dishwashing liquid there. And look at this, guys. So this is stain remover wipes. I don't think I've used this, stain removing wipes. I'm gonna go ahead and try that. So this is a bleach tablet. Also, you drop this in the toilet tank. So here you have the Awesome Mold and Mildew Stain Remover. Mold and stain, okay, so I've never used that. And so these I heard were pretty nice right here. The bathroom cleaner and the nozzle, and I think you have to get the tabs separate. So maybe that's what these are here. Here, the pods. So you buy the bottle separate, and then these are, you get 3 refills that go in here. Now I never saw this either. So here's another one. This one is scrubbing bubbles. So this is a name brand. Okay, for the toilet tank. And then this one here, the Lysol. So you do have name brand stuff that's coming into the Dollar Tree right now. You want to go and check that out. Let me move down. All right, so we have some more. Look at this. So we have the Glass Plus wipes. Look at the size of this thing, guys. 50% more, so you get 160 wipes. That's not a bad buy. I'm gonna go ahead and grab that. So you have the bleach along the bottom, some Comet, and what is this? Disinfecting wipes. So they are really good. And here are the Clorox on the go disinfecting wipes. You might want to keep this in your car. And here is some more. This is the Good and Clean. I'm really impressed with that. So Spick and Span is also coming in all of these scents. And here is the Awesome. Now, I never seen this. So Awesome is also coming out with the wood cleaner. You see that? Well, we're getting some of that. And there it is, some more spray cleaner with bleach. So just be careful because it's bleach. Now, let's move down. I cannot believe it. Now I'm going to show you something. I just saw one that was loved. Here it is. So you see these? This is the dupe for the pink. And the reason why I'm moving it over here is because this is the spray bottle for the pink formula, see? And this is the paste. All right, so I clean my stove top with this, and then I use this. Absolutely love the smell. I don't know how this one smells, but these are dupes for the pink. Then these all-purpose cleaners, you have the Lysol. This is concentrated, so you can dilute this. Here is ammonia, and again, there is the bathroom cleaner, the wood cleaner, which I never seen, the all-purpose cleaner, and the bathroom cleaner. Along the top is laundry detergent. That is amazing. I don't think I've seen that anywhere else. Now here you have the disinfecting the disinfecting spray. Then you have the bleach. Okay, here's the furniture polish. I could use a better one, so I'm not going to buy that one. And look at this. This is a name brand. Scrub-free shower cleaner. I would try that. Here's the Oxygen Orange by Awesome. And this is an all-purpose degreaser. And so I'm going to give that a try also. And here is your Fabuloso, and here is your bathroom foam cleaner. This one says shower cleaner, and this one says bathroom cleaner. Then you have your bleaches. Look at that. Look at all that bleach. I'm telling you, they're so stocked. Then you have the Fabuloso, and you also have this brand, also in lemon. And then that one is the floral. And then this one is a floor cleaner. So let's see. Now these are glass cleaner concentrated pods refills. Here is the window cleaner. Again, that's bleach. Here's disinfectant spray, laundry detergent. Let's move down some. So you do have the name brand Tide laundry detergent. That's probably you can only get a couple of uses of that, but still it's name brand. And now look at this. Here's the Downy. So you have the Downy that you can use, and here's the oxygen powder. It's a nice size, guys. Here is the fragrance booster in these scents. These are laundry packs, and then the Unstoppables. So even if you get, look at these. So you get the Unstoppables. Here's Downy, and then here are the dryer sheets, guys. So you have the name brand, which is the Gain, and the Bounce, and then you have the Suavel, or I don't know if I'm saying that right, but you have all the fragrances over there. And let me just show you here. Yeah, I don't know why I can't pronounce. Let me see, Suavitel. I'm not sure. So, and then you have the Gain, and now look at this. So this is the peppermint sage that everyone's talking about. Here are the wipes, and then here's the all-purpose, and I do believe they're all peppermint sage, yes. So I think overall, look at this wall. If you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one.